We have a 2012 Dodge Challenger finished up. We added a video bypass to the factory radio screen. Now this car from the dealership, if you put the vehicle in gear, the movie screen will go away. When you park the vehicle, the view video button will activate again. There is an adapter available to bypass that, and we have added it to this car. It comes with an indicator light that we do right below the dash. And to activate it, put the car into gear, movie goes away. We turn off the radio, turn it on. That light starts to blink. Then we turn it off and on one more time. It'll give us a solid green. Now the view video button is available to us and the car is in gear. So now we can watch the movie as we are driving. Park the vehicle. The button is still active. Put it into drive and it's still there for you so you continue watching the movie. This video bypass is available for a handful of vehicles. Come by the shop, check us out. We'll see if your vehicle can be done